Do you struggle to quick fix your cracked LCD iPhone? iPhone is a delicate electronic device, which needs expert repair work. But where to avail guaranteed LCD screen repair service for damaged iPhone in Covina? Visit iTech Xpress. It is an authorized iPhone repair shop in Covina, famous for offering factory-grade repair solutions for broken iPhone. They have a team of skilled and experienced repair technicians who always try to repair the cracked LCD screen within the same day. They always offer free estimation of screen replacement costs. They have a great stock of spare parts and use genuine spares for replacement. And the best part is that their guaranteed LCD repair works available at affordable prices. So, why waste your time? Contact them at 626-777-4747 to fix the screen. For more details, browse through https://itechexpressinc.com.